Now we'll learn about tools like erase. So what is erase actually? When actually erase and select and delete are same. Suppose you need to erase that member. That means you select and delete. Again, you need to delete that member. What you'll do, you will select and delete at a time. But by using another tools here, erase. Okay, erase. Then click here and click select object. Just see, if you click here, a specific object will be removed. Just see here, a specific object, or if you select object like that, that will be deleted, and here you will be deleted. Here absolutely all object, but a hidden line are available here, that from where we are deleting, and if you click enter, just see every line have been deleted. So this is the easy way, and also by pressing E and enter, you can run that command to erase. So simply click, a complete line or full line will be deleted, and then enter, it will be deleted. So thank you very much.